Getting ready, packing for our cruise. Will everything fit in my bag? Stay tuned to find out. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I pack my toiletries, medication and first aid items, my gear and accessories, the essentials, and clothing. So stay tuned to see, can we get it all in the bag? As I'm going down my list of what I need to pack, I'm gonna go with toiletries now. So the toiletries and the first aid items are all gonna go in my toiletry bag. I got this one, I'll link it in the description below. It has a hook, you can hook it to the wall using magnet hooks, which are a great tip. I have my jewelry in here. I have all my shampoo, conditioner, body wash, lotion are all in these little bottles that I got. I'll link those in the description also. And I have my dry shampoo. One tip that I like is you bring some hand soap because they'll have bar soap in the cabin. I prefer to have hand soap, so I'm gonna bring my own. And Poo-Pouri, which you spray a couple sprays in the toilet to help the smells stay where they belong. Then I have sunscreen, contact solution, contact case, nail file, well that was nail clippers, nail file, chapstick because it gets very dry. Is there anything I forgot?
What about makeup?
Oh yeah. Oh, I have a list over here. So deodorant, toothbrush, toothpaste, razor, makeup, tweezers, skincare products, brush, styling tool, blow dryer if you want a strong one. They have blow dryers similar to what you would find in a hotel room. So I think that's good for our toiletries. Now let's go on to our first aid and what we need for that and what I packed for that. I have insect repellent. There's a rainforest there, so I want to make sure that we are protected from any bugs. I have Tums for our tummy. I have Pepto Bismol for our tummy. I'm a little worried about our tummy. I have Dramamine in case anyone gets motion sickness. I have allergy medicine. I have cold medicine, cough drops, and I have ginger candy in case somebody has any tummy troubles. Those help with that. Additionally, what I did to kind of get everything extra without having to get little containers, I have my Advil in here. I have my medicine, my prescription medicine. I have vitamins, and I have more Tums. I'm being proactive in case there's a problem. We are on to the essentials. I have all the essentials in this little pouch, and I went ahead and I have this folder I've been using all along to keep everything organized. Our baggage tags are ready to go and get attached to our luggage. And then in here I have to put on my glasses so I can read what I have and see. I have our boarding passes. I have just the information about our cruise that I printed out. I have everything there. These are actually cool too. Molly, you haven't even seen these yet. So these, instead of using a lanyard, because I don't want a lanyard. So these, we'll see if they work, I'm hoping. They're little, you attach the back of your phone, and they're kind of like rubbery, I don't know what you call it. Like they're a cloth, but they're stretchy, so you'll be able to put your cabin key thing in it to get us around the ship. I have a couple different size Post-it notes. I have a pen, I have a highlighter, I have my flight information, I have the confirmation from our excursions, I have our passports, and then for ID, we're gonna be using our passport cards. So we're gonna leave our passports. They'll stay in the safe when we go to the ports, but we'll bring our passport cards with us as our identification. You could always bring your driver's license as well, but we want to use those passport cards since we got them. There's some accessories that you might want to pack to make it easier, more comfortable, more organized. So you might want to pack a Tide to Go pen in case you have any stains, some Clorox wipes to wipe down any surfaces like your doorknobs, your remote control, things like that. This is a container of Febreze. So I took the liquid Febreze and I put it in this little bottle to go, and I put one of these caps on it to keep it where it belongs. And this is my plan. So I have a hamper, so I'm gonna put some clothes in the hamper. My bird wants to be part of the party. Sorry, Coco, not allowed. So, so I'm gonna put in some laundry, couple squirts, laundry, couple squirts to keep everything fresh. More fresh smelling things, some Febreze, no, these are just car hangers. These ones smell like new car. I love that smell. So I have that. Downy wrinkle release. In case you have any wrinkles, just give it a couple sprays. A fan to keep your cabin's air moving. A nightlight that is, it's battery operated and it's magnetic, so it will magnet to your wall. Your walls in your cabin are magnet, or not magnet, they're metal, so magnet connects to them. So it's nice to have things like that. A non-surge protected outlet plug. This will give you some more outlets because there's not a whole lot of outlets in the cabin, so you want to make sure you get one of these, and they have to be non-surge protected. I'll have a link in the description. And then this is a bag full of magnet hooks and magnets to help keep your cabin organized. Some gear and accessories that are not packed yet are my reading glasses. I'll need those up until the time we go. Well, they'll go in my bag that I'm gonna carry onto the plane. Also, the water bottle, the not disposable, but reusable water bottle. I'm gonna bring that. Any phone chargers and cords, you wanna make sure you get those in the bag last minute. I'm reading off my list that I'm going to be printing out so that I highlight it as I complete everything. And sunglasses, because we're leaving very early in the morning, so we will not be wearing our sunglasses when we are leaving to go to the airport. Moving on to clothing. I'm not a light packer, so we're doing the best we can though. So in this bag, I'm using packing cubes, that helps. So I can get a lot of in a bag and kind of smoosh it in. So I like to wear tanks like this. So even in Alaska, I'm gonna wear tanks like this, but I figure if it's cold, well, it will be cold, then I have like long sleeve things I can put underneath it or wear without one of these. But this is just the whole idea in Alaska is layering, layering, layering. So you want to see, like I have my bag, so I have everything rolled because it takes up less room. And I have a couple long sleeve shirts here that I can wear as an overshirt. So that's what I have for tops. So one bag is tops. The next bag is like the warm gear. So I have a couple fleeces, I have a raincoat, and I have a warmer coat. So that should do well as, again, layering, because I could wear a fleece with the warm coat and then the raincoat on top of it, and we'll get those in the bag. So that's warm. The cruisers do say to bring a swimsuit. My son hurt his foot, no swimsuit. So that is not going in the bag. Then we have hats. So I'm bringing this was a tip from one of the cruisers. So you put on your baseball cap. Then when you put on your rain jacket, you put your hood over it. That way the rain doesn't come on your face. I thought that was a good tip. But I also have look. I wanted to wear my cute hats too. So we'll see. Hopefully it's not raining the whole time. If it is, it is. So that I have in this bag. I have gloves, again, to keep me warm. I went ahead and used this bag to put my towel clips, so I thought that was good. I also used this bag. This is our hamper. Last time I opened it was again, it's quite surprising when it opens. Anyways, this is a great hamper that folds up small, and then you just put it in the corner and put your clothes in it as you use them. Again, you want to use the Febreze fabric spray to keep it smelling fresh. Okay, so that's for your head. Now, as far as pants go, I'm just bringing 3 pairs of jeans. I'm not rolling these and putting them in a packing cube. Instead, I'm going to put them right on top. I also have just your underwear, your socks, and things, and my pajamas are all in this bag. Even though we're going to be in an inside cabin, I sleep with these at night, so I'll be adding this to this bag. It's just what I'm used to, so I thought, well, I may not need it, but if I do, I have it. My toiletry bag we already talked about. I have my shoes in here. So what am I bringing for shoes? I'm bringing some cute shoes like this. Well, not like this. I'm bringing these for nighttime, and also you can wear them the day. I have waterproof boots. We're going on the Mendenhall Glacier, so I'm thinking that would be a good day for that. I have my Vans. I'm going to wear these on the plane. And I have walking shoes and slippers and another pair of nice shoes. So quite a few pairs of shoes, but I already told you I'm not a light packer, so no surprise there. The last thing I see here that I'm going to have to fit in the bag is I did bring a bag of snacks. Maybe I don't need this many, but I figure when we go on shore to the ports, we can have a snack if we're hungry, also in the airport. So we'll see. I'll probably take this and cut it in half because that weighs a lot. So the last thing is my evening wear. So we are on Holland America. Holland America has an orange night, so look how cute that dress is. So I'm super excited. I have another dress for the formal nights. I like to dress up, so even though you don't have to dress up at all on an Alaskan cruise, all you have to wear if you for dress at night in the main dining room is jeans without holes, and for men a button-up top. So, and no flip-flops. But I like to dress up, so I have a nice dress here and then one more dress. And then I did buy like a soft black shawl to put over it to keep me warm. So that's what we have to fit in the bag. Will it fit? Let's find out right now. In the bag, I have the big bag that has my coats in it. I have my bag with the tops. I have my bag with my underwear, socks, things like that. In goes the hats. In goes the dresses. In goes the shoes. In goes more shoes. Oh boy. In goes the toiletries. All right, so I just have 3 pairs of jeans. In goes 1 pair. In goes 2 pairs. In goes, I'm going to do them like this, 3 pairs. Okay, I think I've got it. All right, here we go. Zipping it up. It's going to do it. It's going to make it. It's easy. It's gone. It's winter. Whew! Done! If you like this video, can you make sure to like it and then subscribe to my channel? I really appreciate it. Happy sailing!